Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add customer product reviews to your own Shopify store. So I have tried like multiple apps, and the best app I have found is Kodos Ali Reviews. Okay, this app is very good. It has also a feature where it can give you like reviews specifically for the products you have on your Shopify store. Like it can like take the image. It's like the AI new technology. It can take the image and get the reviews from different websites, okay, and then it can like recognize it and add these reviews to your Shopify store. And of course you can add reviews manually if you want, or you can import reviews from different websites like AliExpress, Amazon. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you want to go to the Shopify dashboard, okay, and as you can see, currently I don't have any like product reviews on my Shopify products. Now anyway, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. You want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, okay. So and then you want to search here for Kodos Ali Reviews, okay. This is the name of the app. It's called Kodos Ali Reviews, okay, and this is the app. It's called Ali Reviews Kodos, okay, reviews. Anyway, after that you want to click on install, and then you want to click again on install in the next page. So after guys you click on install, then probably they will ask you like to select the plan here, okay. That's the first page. Anyway, yeah, it's actually, as you can see, this is the free plan and starter and essential and premium, okay. Now I'm going to go with essential. Of course I'm going to use the free 3-day free trial, okay, 3-day free trial. I'm going to start with this essential. You can also go with the free one if you want. Now I'm going to click on approve. Anyway, now I am using the free trial, okay, so I'm going to try now to use this. Okay, so what you guys need to do first is to click this enable embed app embed. So you want to click on enable app embed, okay, toggle it on. Okay, as you can see, it's already toggled on. Now if it's off, you want to toggle it on, okay, and then click on save in the top right, okay. Make sure you save your changes. Now after that you want to click here, it says add a review box, and then click on add a review box. So when you click on add review box, you just need to find where you want this box to appear. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, if you click, for example, as you can see, Kodos review box, if you click on it, you can also customize it as you want. You can change the colors, for example, to red, and you can change the section color. I'm going to change it to green. Okay, this is just an example, of course. So as you can see, these are the reviews. Okay, so you can you need to add that. Okay, if it's not here, if you can see it here, then you need to click on add block. I'm sorry, you want to click on add section, okay, and here you want to click on apps, and you want to search for this. It's called Kodos review box. Click on it, okay, and then you can click on the Kodos review box, and you can customize it how you want it to be. Now after that you want to go back, okay, make sure you save your changes, of course, and you want to go back. Now after that, what you guys need to do, it seems like it I'm not here, yeah, after that, after you enable it, what you guys need to do, you want to click on import reviews. Now here you will find all the products that you have on your Shopify store. Now for example, I just uploaded this product. This product is I could just imported it today, so I'm going to add reviews to this product. Now I'm going to click on import reviews, I'm sorry. Now when you click on import reviews, as you can see, this is the technology that I told you at the beginning. As you can see, it searches for this exact product from AliExpress. As you can see, the reviews are found on AliExpress, as you can see, and it has like 140 reviews. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to try to import reviews from AliExpress to my products. Okay, I'm going to click here, and as you can see now I actually have 0 reviews. Okay, as you can see, the reviews are importing complete. Now we have imported 11 reviews, as you can see, and the star is 4.7. Always like go with 4.8, okay, 4.9. 5 stars looks really thick, so like you don't have to up like have everything positive. All the reviews should be positive, like one should be like 3 stars, something like that. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to here where it says as you can see, you can also see here like collections and stuff like that. So anyway, you want to click here, as you can see, manage reviews, and you want to publish these reviews, of course. Now I just uploaded these reviews, as you can see, published and published. Now as you can see, and then you want to click, after you select all the reviews, you want to auto publish. Okay, click on auto publish and publish all these reviews. Okay, publish 20 reviews, as you can see at the bottom, you can see publish 20 reviews. Click on publish. Okay, you need to publish these reviews so that the customers will be able to see them. Okay, so I'm going to go now to the product I have imported the reviews to. I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, guys, this is the, let me search for it. Yeah, this is the product. Now I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, 11 reviews has been imported. As you can see, 11 reviews. If you scroll down, you will find these reviews at the bottom here. Okay, I really like this app. It's very quick. Now you can also add reviews manually. You can click on rate review, and of course you can add the review by yourself. Okay, this is what I like about this. And also the names have to be different each time you add a review. So the name I'm going to add, for example, Anastasia. Okay, the review just need to add the thought about the product, and the email, of course, it should be a random email, doesn't really matter. Okay, Gmail, I'm gmail.com. Okay, after you are finished, you can also add image here if you want to add image, and then click on submit a review. Okay, I'm going to add good name Anastasia. And here the feedback, I'm going to get good products. Okay, this is just an example, of course. So after that, you can add this product. You can see, thank you for being one of our success stories. So as you can see, this review has been imported. That's my own review. Of course, you can also add multiple reviews by yourself. You can add another review here with different image and different name. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you want to just go to the app. Okay, as you can see, and make sure everything is set correctly. Okay, I'm going to go back to yeah, I'm going to click on apps and sales channels, and I'm going to reload this page so that I can like go to the app again. Okay, this is it, Kodos other reviews. I'm going to click on open the app in the top. As you can see, this is exactly how the features of the app. As you can, if you scroll down, you can find here reviews collected, average ratings. You can see like show reviews if you want the reviews to show. You can change the plan here, settings and pricing. Okay, so as you can see, import reviews. You can customize this as you want. Okay, if you need any help, let me know in the comments, and I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and drop a like, and see you guys next video.